welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a wallet in AnCrypto account. First of all, find and open AnCrypto application on your device. Now, you may need to log into your account. After logging in, you will see a profile icon which is at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it. After that, you will see Manage Wallet option there. Click on Manage Wallet. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a plus icon. Click on the icon and now click on Create New Wallet. You can also import your wallet from Google Drive. Now, click on Create New Wallet button and you can back up manually or you can back up with your Google Drive. Here you will get the phrases. If you forgot your account password or any of the information, these phrases will help you to get logged back into your account. Screenshot it or copy this code. After that, click on OK, I saved it button. Now you will need to select the correct phrase here. After selecting, click on Verify button. Now you can pick a username if you have not picked one. Otherwise, click on Skip button. So go to your profile icon which is at the top left corner of the screen and go to Manage Wallet. Now here you can see that you have created a new wallet in AnCrypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.